Space represents segmented winding of different wire diameters. Click Set. If you need to store wire 4 times, enter 04 in the ED PRG position. Click Clear. Save. Click Set twice. The first stored wire will be displayed. Enter the number of turns to be wound. Click Next. The first winding will be displayed. After entering the number of turns, space 1 will be displayed. We adjust this using the control panel. Click Next. Enter the second wire diameter. Again, enter the stored wire first, then the winding. Click Next until you reach space 2. Click Clear. Save. Follow the same steps for space 3, 4. Space 2, 3/4 can be adjusted using the knob.